working hard and tirelessly with the help of our
to the managing partner of SLS Legal, Ms. Susan Serakaya, and partners Ms. Shirley Tivao and Ms. Lavinia Bogantini, family and friends, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bulavanaka, and a very, very good evening to all of you. I can see Suva's turned on its lovely weather again. Thank God I come from the west. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm actually delighted to be here tonight to officially launch Shirley Lavinia Susan Legal, or SLS Legal in short. Let me just begin by acknowledging three lovely ladies, Shirley, Lavinia, and Susan. They are three ambitious young women. And they're ambitious because they've chosen a noble profession. And they're taking on an endeavor of providing Fijians with equal access to justice. Ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, law and faith in justice is one of the most fundamental pillars on which a democratic society and communities actually thrive. This is why the Fijian government remains committed to providing every Fijian greater and equal access to justice and legal support as embedded in our constitution. In every respect, democracy is actually the centerpiece of our society. Over the years, we have provided Fijians with better access to justice by improving in our judicial and legal infrastructure and the laws and different processes that we have. As a lawyer myself, ladies and gentlemen, I'm probably expected to tell you how to grow or what to change in your own practice. But no, you are leaders. You are leaders in your own right. And you should be in your own practice. I can only guide you, and many other senior practitioners can only guide you. But you are leaders in your own right, and you make your own way. And somebody from government and somebody who's also a fellow practitioner, well, I don't practice anymore, but I have every confidence, ladies, that you will do well, and you're on your way to building a very successful career and a successful law firm. Lawyers, ladies and gentlemen, have a massive obligation to society. You must demonstrate competence. You must demonstrate honesty. And it must be those two things in everything that you do. Whilst the young law graduates actually have a range of opportunities to choose from nowadays, the journey of these three ambitious women as entrepreneurs also signifies that they have broken barriers in society, where young women may not have been given the support that they actually deserve to make a name in the legal fraternity. I was lucky. Some of you may know this. You three ladies should know this. I cut my teeth and I learned how to practice in a female law firm, owned and operated by a very senior practitioner, Vasantik Patel, who you all know. So I actually learned from her, and she cut her teeth many, many years ago. And she actually taught me how to be passionate about the legal fraternity. And that's all I can actually teach you and tell you, that you must be passionate about what you do. And keep your honesty, keep your ethics. It's the main thing that keeps you and your name up in lights. Ladies and gentlemen, today they actually join the league of many that are powerful, many that are passionate. And there are strong women who are taking risks and defying odds in making your own mark in the world. And there is still room in the legal fraternity to make your own mark, trust me. There is a lot that you can do. There's a lot that you can do as individuals. There is a lot that you will do as three of you. I'm told the two of the partners, Susan and Shirley, were raised by single parents who had to assume, parents who had to assume the role of mother and father, but now share twice the celebration and the pride of seeing their daughters become successful entrepreneurs and professionals. As someone who's a dad, that feeling, I know, is immeasurable. So thank you. Thank you to Mr. Paulo Serkai, Ms. Emily Tivao, and Mr. Samuel Bongtini, and Ms. Sarah Tukana. Thank you for nurturing women who are making a tangible change in our society. Ladies and gentlemen, close to its mission, SLS also aspires to place high priority on family values alongside fulfilling their oath that they've taken with respect to their profession in service to the community. It's actually a real commitment, and it's a commitment indeed. In my experience, ladies and gentlemen, the key to succeeding in this particular industry, as I said earlier, is on empathy, it's on ethics, and it's on respect. One of the most important things that I can actually pass on to you is that you must value exactly what I said, and you must respect your fellow practitioners, whether they're junior or senior. Always carry that with you. And most of all, be fair and be just and be honest. This will enable you to promote an inclusive culture, and it will enable you to succeed as a firm in providing the highest quality of service. Coming back to today's event, I know you don't want to hear too many boring long speeches, but I wish the three of you all the best and all the success in the world in your demanding legislative work. And I'm not going to cut any ribbons, but but let me just say I now have the greatest of pleasure in declaring SLS legally open. Thank you very much, Vinawalevi, and God bless you. Nothing.
Go back to the gym. Yay!
Maybe one here.